I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like light thunder that isn't stopping. Like there's a big ass jet going over, but there's nothing and the sound isn't moving. The fuck, and it just stopped. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? That was the freakiest shit I've ever fucked.